we'll be solving the simplification of the algebraic expressions and terms. Okay, so we'll start. The first question, students, I have written here 6a minus 5a minus 2x. The first thing what you will do, write the first term 6a, right? Now I told you that when you open the bracket and outside the bracket there is minus sign, that means minus sign is multiplied to all the terms which are present inside the bracket. That means whatever term is present inside the bracket, its sign will what? Change. It will become the oppositely sign. It will become oppositely signed, yes or no? So now 5a is here, so 5a is positive. So it becomes what? Minus 5a. And minus 2x becomes plus 2x. That's simple. Now these two are like terms. Adding and subtracting only the like terms. But multiplication and division is possible for the unlike terms also. Yes or no? So now 6a minus 5a. So 6 minus 5 will give me 1. And what is the literal coefficient a? So I have no need to write 1a. It automatically, simply a also means it is 1a only. Yes? Plus 2x. And can we add these two? No, we cannot add these two because the literal coefficients are different. They are unlike terms. So this will be your answer. Right? Let's come to the second question now. 5x plus 5x. Now outside the bracket what sign is there, students? Plus sign is there. So when plus sign is there, no need to worry. Blindly open the bracket, okay? Because the sign won't change. The sign will remain as it is, okay? Plus doesn't change the sign, but when there is a minus, be careful, okay? So plus 3x will remain plus 3x. Minus 7 will remain minus 7 only, okay? Now you can see these two are like terms. 5 plus 3 is 8. And what is the literal coefficient? 8x minus 7. Now can we solve this further? No, because they are unlike terms, right? Let's come to question number 3. 5x plus minus 7. Now just students again, first I will write the first term here, 5x I have written. Now outside the bracket what sign is there, students? Plus sign is there. So no need to worry. No sign will change, simply copy down. Okay, simply copy down whatever sign is there. 7x is carrying minus sign, so minus 7x minus 2y. Simply you will write like this. Okay. Now you have these two are what? Like terms. So 5 minus 7 is what? Minus 2. Yes. And what is the little coefficient? X. And then again minus 2y. Now can you add or subtract these two? No. Because these both are unlike terms. They are having different literal coefficients. Right? Let's come to question number 4 now. 3y minus, so now again let's open the bracket now. The question is already written here. I am not repeating the question again. So first I will write 3y. Clear? But now you see outside this minus sign is there. That means the sign of the two terms inside this bracket will change. 3y is having no sign inside. That means it is plus. So 3y will become what? Minus 3y. This 3y will become minus 3y. And this plus 2 will become what? Minus 2. Clear? Now, minus 6 simply you can write. It is not inside the bracket, nothing. Okay? So minus 6. Now let us open this bracket. Outside this bracket what sign is there? Plus sign. So no need to worry. Okay? So 3y is plus. It will remain plus 3y only. And minus 8 will also remain minus 8 only. Clear? Now let us arrange the like terms. But before arranging the like terms, you can see, students, this is plus 3y, this is minus 3y. You can remove it from the first step itself. Yes or no? Now you have plus 3y here. So write 3y, only 3y is left out. Then number part is minus 6, minus 2, minus 8. You can write in any sequence, no problem. So 3y, now you can just solve this. All are numbers carrying negative, all are negative numbers carrying minus sign. All are negative. So add and give minus sign. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. So add and give minus sign. Now we cannot solve it further. This is the answer. Okay. Keep practicing. So now students, let us come to the next question. Question number 5. Okay. So the question number 5 I am going to solve now, students. And you remember, simplify, you have to always follow the bottommost rule. Okay. In any simplify. Okay. So now let us write this 4x. I am just copying down this 4x. Okay. Then now you see, students, first in simplify, when there are brackets, first you should solve the common bracket or the moon bracket or the parenthesis, whatever you call it. Yes or no? So our first target should be that. So let us write everything as it is up to this much. Because first we have to open this bracket. this common bracket, right? So outside this common bracket, students, there is what sign? Minus sign. So be careful now, because all the sign will change. Yes or no? This 4x is positive, it becomes negative. 3y is positive, it becomes negative. Now you have opened the bracket successfully. Next is plus 5y. This was outside the bracket, so just copy it down. Over. Now the next step, 4x. Now let us check out whether any like terms are there inside. Yes, there are like terms, x and x, y and y. So these two are like terms, these two are like terms. So here no number is there. What is the number? 1. So 1 minus 4 is obviously how much? Minus 3. Now you know integers, okay? So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. And what is the literal coefficient? X. Clear? Now next. These two are like terms. What is the number part? 1 is minus 3. 1 is minus 3. The other one is plus 5. So answer will be plus 2. Plus 2 or not? So plus 2 is a number part. And the literal coefficient is y. Clear everyone? Now let us again open the bracket. Outside what sign is there? Minus. So minus 3x will become what? Plus 3x. Plus 2y will become minus 2y. Clear? Now let us check. These two are like terms. So 4 plus 3 will be 7. And the little coefficient will be x minus 2y. Now can you solve these two? No, because these two are unlike terms. So our answer is 7x minus 2y. Question number 6. Okay, this is the question number 6. So now now let us first open the common bracket, students. So minus, everything I'll copy down simply. Just up to this much I will copy. Now I have to open the bracket. Okay, inside the bracket 3b plus 7c is there, but outside the bracket minus sign. So everything will change. 3b was positive, becomes negative. 7c is positive, it also becomes negative. Over. Our common bracket is removed. Now our focus should be the curly bracket, right? So now inside the curly bracket, students, these two are like terms. And b is a literal coefficient. So minus 2 and minus 3 is obviously how much? Minus 5b. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. And the literal coefficient is b. So I simply wrote b. And then minus 7c. Now can we solve these two? No, because they are unlike terms. Now let us open this curly bracket also. But outside the curly bracket there is minus sign. So all the sign will change again. Minus 5b will become what? Plus 5b. And minus 7c will also become what? Plus 7c. Minus multiplied to minus plus, minus multiplied to minus plus. Because outside when there is a minus sign, that means it is multiplied to the signs inside the bracket. Okay? I hope the idea is getting clear, students. Now let us come to the next question. See, students, now our focus should be this common bracket. Okay? Write everything as it is. 4x square minus 3y square minus 5x square. I am simply copying down up to this much. And I will open this bracket. Before opening, I should check what sign is there outside. Minus sign is there outside. That means this plus x square will become what? Minus x square. This minus y square will become what? Plus y square. Over. Yes, so a curly bracket I left. So common bracket is removed now. Now let us see what is there inside the curly bracket. So up to this much I can copy and write down. First I will solve the curly bracket. Now are there like terms? Yes, there are like terms. Yes or no? I will arrange like terms together. 5x square minus x square together and minus 2y square plus y square. Both are like terms. I have paired the like terms now. Okay. Now next what I am going to do here. I just copied down everything. Now just these two are like terms. So 5 minus nothing is there. What is there? 1. So 5 minus 1 will give me how much? 4. And what is the little coefficient? X square. Simple. Now what is this? These two are like terms. This is minus 2. And this is plus 1. Answer will be minus 1. So we don't write 1. But minus sign is important. We will write the minus sign. And the literal coefficient. It automatically means that it is minus 1y square. Okay. Now we will open this curly bracket. So up to this much I am writing. Now outside the curly bracket, students, there is minus sign again. So 4x square becomes what? Minus 4x square. And minus y square becomes plus y square. Clear? So we have successfully removed the curly bracket also. Now let us see like terms. These two are like terms. If you want, you can solve it right here only, but then since it's new for you, so I will solve each and every step for you. Okay? So now just see here. Both are y square, 3 plus, nothing is there, what is there? 1. 3 plus 1 is how much? 4, and the little coefficient is y square minus 4x square. Right? Now let me open this square bracket also. But before opening, see the sign. Minus sign is there, so be careful again. So this minus sign means what? 4y square will become minus 4y square. And minus 4x becomes what? Plus 4x square. Right? Now this 4x square plus 4x square are like terms. We'll write them together. Yes, 4 plus 4 is 8. 8x square minus 4y square. And this is your answer because we cannot solve it further. Both have different literal coefficients. They are unlike terms. Okay. Now students, let us come to the last question. Okay. So the last question what we are having, see, so we have to solve the common bracket first. So let us write down everything as it is without changing anything. Simply copy down. Just focus on your target. What is the target? The common bracket. Yes. So up to this much I copied. Now you see students, outside this common bracket, there are no like terms inside. First of all, check it. There are no like terms. Outside this common bracket, there is what sign? Minus sign. So again, everything will change. That means a becomes minus a, minus 2b becomes plus 2b, and minus c becomes plus c. Now we have successfully removed the common bracket. Okay. Now we have to solve the curly bracket. Again, I am copying down everything as it is. Clear? Now let me solve the curly bracket. So inside the curly bracket, students, you have this is a and this is minus a. Both will cancel out. Plus a minus a. Now I have here minus 2c and this is a like term, plus c plus 2b. I have arranged the other terms. Yes, I have arranged the other terms. Minus 2c, c is there, and here also c is there. This is 1c. So plus c plus 2b. Okay. Now let me solve it. When you become perfect in solving these, we can do it orally. No need to write extra step, but now I have to write it for you. Okay. So minus 2c plus c. Now these two are like terms. What is the number part? Minus 2. What is the number part of this? Plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is how much? Minus 1. Okay. So minus 1 we don't write. We write minus c. What is the literal coefficient? C only. So now plus 2b. Now these two cannot be solved further. Now next step what we will do? We will remove this curly bracket also. So 2a minus 3b minus 4a minus 3b. Now I have to be careful again because here outside the bracket I have minus sign. So minus c will become plus c, plus 2b will become minus 2b. Now we have successfully removed the curly bracket also. Next, let us solve the square bracket, whatever like terms are there inside. So yes, 4a but no like terms, minus 3b is paired with minus 2b, both are like terms, plus c I have kept at last. Clear? Now let me solve it. 4a is single in this case. Now minus 3b minus 2b. What is the number part? Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 and the little coefficient is b plus c. Okay. Now let me again open the bracket. Be careful because again there is a minus sign before the bracket. Yes or no? So 4a becomes minus 4a, minus 5b becomes plus 5b, and plus c becomes minus c. Now our common the square bracket is also gone. Okay. Now let us arrange the like terms. 2a with this minus 4a, minus 3b with plus 5b, and this minus c is single. It is not having any common. It is not having any like term. Okay. Now these two are like terms, students. A. So 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. And the little coefficient is a. Now these two are like terms. Minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5 will be plus 2. Okay. By now you must be good in integers. And this is minus c. Okay. So in this way you step by step solve it without hurrying, so that you don't write any term wrongly with the wrong sign. So every step be careful. Okay. Slowly, gradually open each and every one thing, one step at a time. In every step you do it slowly and gradually, and as you become smart enough, as you become perfect in this algebra, then from next class, that means from 7th class, you will be able to do these so many steps. Within 2-3 steps you will be able to complete. Yes or no? So dear students, I hope with this your concept of algebra is clear. How to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, and how to simplify. Okay. So with that, now I just suggest you that keep practicing. Okay, and become perfect in algebra. Okay. Take care and study well.